Science subject about plants. Insectivorous plants. Let's learn about insectivorous plants. Okay. Now I am teaching you about insectivorous plants. Which are the insectivorous plants? Example, pitcher plant. See the spelling of pitcher? Don't write like this. Don't write picture, okay? Write like this the spelling. Next. Venus fly trap. It is also a insectivorous plant, pitcher and Venus flytrap. This both are insectivorous plant. How does it insectivorous plant? Okay, I will show you. See, first I will show you about pitcher plant. This is pitcher plant. Okay, like this the pitcher plant will be. Okay, now I am telling you how does it insectivorous plant. Just first you think. See, first you see here. Inside of this is a digestive liquid of that. How inside our stomach there is a liquid like that only. It is a digestive liquid inside this pitcher plant. Inside this pitcher plant. Now how does it works? Works means how does it eat all the insects? How does it is a insectivorous plant? See how means it takes to think if anything is so nice, all will come to that only, right? Like this only, this pitcher plant is so beautiful. So all insects attract and come and sit over here. When it will sit over here, the pitcher plant will close it like this. This is they know. This will be closed like this. So the insects will go inside and it is closed now. Now it's closed. Now it's closed. So it is trapped by the pitcher plant. When it is trapped, it can't come out. So from that, the digestive liquid take all the nutrients present in the insect, all it will take. After some times, that will be open. That will be opened. And the same process will be once again the same process will be repeated. Like this, the pitcher plant works. That's why the pitcher is the insectivorous because it eats insects. See here, insectivorous plants means insectivorous plants means that eat different insects, that eats different insects. Okay, insectivorous plants means that eat different insects. Like how example is picture. That's why the pitcher is a insectivorous plant, and even Venus flytrap also. But I will show you now how does it is a insectivorous plant. How does the Venus flytrap is a insectivorous plant? See, Venus flytrap. I can't draw and show you. That's why I will show you in hands. The Venus flytrap first it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. And here some small tiny things. It's equal to hair. Okay, it will be. But and it also looks so nice. From that, the insects attract to that and come and sit. And when it touch the one like a hair, it will be. When it touch that, they will get signal to close it like this. So they will close it. So they will close it. And they will leave the digestive liquid of Venus flytrap. When they will leave, all same thing how the pitcher plant takes all the nutrients from that insect, like that only the Venus flytrap will take all the nutrients from the insect. See, now you maybe understand what is means of Venus flytrap. After taking nutrients, after some times the nutrients will be not there because already the Venus flytrap took. So once again he will the Venus flytrap will open like this, and once again the same process will be repeated. How means I showed you. Same process will be repeated. How the picture plants repeat. Okay, this was about the insectivorous plant. Picture plant maybe you understood, and even Venus flytrap also you understood. Just I gave only two only two examples, but there is still so many. Just to understand you, just I gave two. And picture plants are more than 1,000 in the world. There are so many different types of picture plants. See, once again I'm telling you, don't write picture. Write picture like this. Or some will write like this. Sorry, picture. Some will write like this. Picture. Like this they will write picture. Okay. Don't write like this. This is the correct spelling of insectivorous picture plant. This was about the insectivorous plants. See, there are different types of picture plant actually. There are so many. I can't tell those. Okay, that's why I'm telling only this much. That's why I'm telling only this much. I'm not telling you the full. Just I gave you an example of this picture plant, and if you're thinking if it is a flying, it's not a worm. If it is an insect, flying insect, the liquid will be half, and the insect can fly. Yeah, no, but no, the liquid will be not half. It will be filled. Full. It will be filled. Full. It will be filled with liquid. Filled with liquid. Fully it will be filled with liquid. Okay. That's why the insects cannot escape from there. That's why it is called insectivorous plant. This both are insectivorous plant. In plants we are in science we are learning plants, and in plants we are learning insectivorous plant. They are picture plant, Venus and Venus flytrap. Insectivorous plant means that eat different insects. Okay, like pitcher and Venus flytrap. They will eat different insects, but they will eat insects. Okay, this was about insectivorous plant.